Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick review, I'm gonna be reviewing the Roborock Qrevo SLIM. So whether you should purchase this vacuum or skip it, this is what we will be finding out in this video. So in the Roborock Qrevo SLIM, you will get the ultra thin 8.2 centimeter design, star side autonomous system, the flexi arm side brush and mop, multifunctional self-cleaning torque 3.0, double the rollers, double the power, and the intelligence voice assistance is also available, and you can even control it via application. For more information, you can come to this page. I will put the link of it down in the description. So for the review part, you can come to Reddit and you can read the reviews, what people are saying about it. Are they interested in purchasing this product? As you can see that this person is very much interested in the new navigation system from the Roborock. Hi Jamie, it still uses LDR, so basically people are asking the question. So most of the people are quite excited about this particular Roborock Qrevo SLIM. So you can definitely go ahead if it comes under your budget. So that was it for this video. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.